and we're going to use different things for the nose.
Now, how about a carrot?
We're going to make the snowman right in the middle of the sidewalk.
Well, no, because people walk on the sidewalk.
No, I mean right
in the yard.
Yeah.
Great.
And then we're gonna sled and then knock it over.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
That's gonna
And
be
then
fun.
you know what?
What? Garbage and
We are
It is
going to
snowing.
ice skate.
Oh, how
All
fun!
we need is water and snow. Then we need a hammer without
A hammer.
Hey, this is my way, okay?
You need a hammer to ice skate?
This is my way, okay?
Wow.
Hey.
What's he doing up so early?
Hey, we were the ones up early before him.
Yeah, he just thinks he was early.
It's snowing out there.
He doesn't see you watching him, does he? Oh, don't, he'll come over. We're not dressed.
Wow, it is really coming down out here.
Yeah, we're gonna go build a snowman later. Aren't we, Anton?
Yeah. That's what else we're gonna do. I don't just said ice skates.
Oh my
And-
goodness. One problem.
What?
We don't have any ice skates.
Wow.
Then now we're going to get there. With Star.
You get where?
To the store.
Good question.
Yeah.
Walk there.
No.
We'll
We'll
come
just
down
have
in
to
the
wait
car.
till the snow melts a little bit and then do it again. Well, we really can't ice skate right now out here because we don't have a pond that's frozen, do we?
His name's
You have
Anton.
roller skates, though, for inside the
His
house.
name's not Dewey.
And you know what?
Yeah.
That mountain,
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
it's just the perfect place for ice, for a ice skate.
You mean for sledding?
No, to ice skate.
Right on the top here?
Yeah.
Yeah, but there isn't any ice.
Oh, it looks like a frozen pond, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm, but there is no ice.
Yeah, but actually it's a cul-de-sac. It's got snow all over it. Wow. Snowy back here too. Dogs are in. Dogs are hiding in their house.
That's even enough to
Well, I think if we build a snowman, we'll be pretty lucky because you know what? It's cold out. And we're going to be ready to come in after that one. You know?
This is the first day of winter.
No.
Yeah, because
So, remember? Because at school you guys already had the first day of winter. Wasn't it December 22nd or something?
right, as long as my rules are my rules. And that
Oh.
was my rules.
This is the first day of winter according to your rules.
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense when it snows like this. Sure looks like winter now.
Put your tongue on the window. Put it outside. Don't get stuck on something.
And then it touched the window around.
Probably did.
Let's say,
It's fine.
not to me.
No? Well, it looks fine. It looks happy.
Look, this is story to the backyard.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
I wonder why.
I don't know, maybe Santa Claus must want a triple side sword and another side lawn.
You think he's coming back already?
I mean,
No.
he said. I mean, he's sending elves to pour snow all over the sky.
Possible, isn't it?
Yeah, could be possible.
Could be possible.